This is the 184th Taiku, the Babylonian Talmud, and it appears in Tractate Sanhedrin, page 95b. And just remembering from the Daf Yomi, we were there this year. That was actually like about 3 days before my trip to Israel, when I moved to Israel back in March. It was like, let's say it was like March 20th, that area, March 22nd, probably in that area, give or take a day, but because I left on the 25th, so about 3 days before that would be like 22nd. The 184th Taiku appears in Tractate Sanhedrin 95b, according to the book by Rabbi Aaron Yeshua Pessin, and here it is. It's in Sanhedrin 95b. The word b'masni satana. B'masni satana orech machanehu arba me'os parsa rochav tzavar susav arba'im parsa sach machanehu 260 ribo alafim chaser chad Baye chaser chad ribuya o chaser chad alpha o chaser mea o chaser chad taiku. It was taught in a Braita. The length of the camp of Sanhedrin was 400 parasangs, and the width of the necks of his horses side by side was 40 parasangs. The total number of soldiers in his camp was 260,000. 260,000. In other words, 2,600,000. And it was called 260,000 minus 1. Interesting. Minus 1. What does that mean? Abaye asks, is the Tana saying minus 1 unit of 10,000? Or minus 1 unit of 1,000? Or minus 1 unit of 100? Or just minus 1? That's interesting. Just me, personally, off the top of the bat, I just thought it was just minus 1. It was just like 2,599,999. That's what I thought. And just one more make it 2,600,000. So 2,600,000. That's what I thought. But Abai is asking if it's not. It could be not minus 1 group of 10,000. It doesn't say that. It just says minus 1. So I would think the simplest answer would be minus 1. That's just me. And Abai apparently had this question, and we need to wait until the Messiah comes. That's what the tradition is. We have to wait until the Messiah comes to get the answers to this. From Elijah the prophet. Why not the Messiah? I don't know. Maybe the Messiah too. Maybe we have to choose. Who knows?